Going on, people? It's your boy JP here. I'm about to replace the air filter on this 2015. It's a Mazda CX5. Let's get to it. Alright, so the filter, it's here. All we're gonna be doing is moving these clamps here. Should be able to come up pretty easy. Here we go. And there's the filter right there, which we'll be removing. This filter looks pretty clean. It's not bad. Still a pretty good filter, but we're going to be replacing it with a high-end airflow filter. Let me show you that now. Alright, so this is the filter we're going to be replacing this one with. Take it out of the bag. Here it is right here. The owner decided that she wanted a blue color. They do come in different colors. This filter got a metal mesh, as you guys can see here, both sides. This filter, you never have to replace it. Once it gets dirty, you just power wash it with a hose, let it dry, and put it right back. It improves horsepower, saves gas, and it's the exact same thing as a K&N filter, but just different brand. I get my filters from this company here, and their prices are extremely better than getting a K&N, which runs about 60 bucks. This filter right here, it's only $20. So, and believe me, quality is the same. I've been using these filters for several years now on different vehicles, so I definitely recommend. All right, let's go ahead and install it. Look at that. Fits in perfectly. Now we're just gonna close this back up, and that'll do it. All right, everything's back to normal. Everything's installed. It's another vehicle in the books. I'm gonna be making another video because I actually have another filter here, because I bought two, and the other one I have here, same quality, just different color. This is gonna be installed on a 2017 Toyota RAV4. I'll upload the video when that's done. If you guys like my videos, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe, please do so. Till next time.